Hi guys, so today I'm sharing this great product with you guys. This is actually a hair trimmer. It's called the MicroTouch Max Titanium Hair Trimmer, which you can utilize for any kind of hair. So I personally have tried this for shaping my eyebrows, getting rid of my side buns as well, but you may utilize it for hair in the ears, nose, trimming your mustache or whatsoever. Also, this saves so much of time, money, energy of rushing to a salon to get things done. So I'll tell you guys what all it comes with. So this is the trimmer, very sleek. So this is just like a cover. So there are three more I would call them attachments. One is this kind of, this says the 2mm 4mm brush trimmer, and there's this angular looking kind of a brush, so meant for different kind of hair, which you can read because there is a complete instruction booklet that it has come with. This is rather cute. I've received like this cleaning brush which you can use to clean it later, and I tried utilizing it to shape my eyebrows. It was pretty effective. All you do is there's this power button, you switch it on, remove the cap and just hold it at an angle of like 45 degrees. So guys, this manual says 45 degrees, but believe me, when you're doing it, you will have to just figure it out yourself what works best for you. Maybe it's like holding it at an angle of 75 degrees, because these things are very based on how I'm comfortable positioning myself and holding a gadget when I'm doing that. So suit yourself.